Welcome back, guys. I'm Robby Layton. On today's episode, we are going to take you through the process of disassembling and blueprinting a 2021 Can-Am Maverick X3 Max RS Turbo. This thing endoed and rolled a few times, so we're going to walk you guys along with us and show you what we do when we bring the vehicle in, disassemble it, and then blueprint it for the insurance.
It's all or nothing, right?
Hey, drag it. Drag it, go. Go. Go, go. I don't know if we can go jack. We're probably use those parts. At this point, we'll probably need to use jacks and stuff. Just shut it off.
Dude, every time you hit that gas, it would just...
Yeah, it's all or none. So, we'll grab some floor jacks. Or here, let's just all lift it.
Here, Chris, time to blow your nut out before you go home.
Damn!
Macho man!
Okay, now get in it and let's see if we can
See if you can drag it back.
Demery doesn't think it's fixable. She's questioning why we're even fixing it, but this looks like a fun job to me. Oh, perfect! That'll work. So, the next step in the Can-Am is we need to get it torn apart, and we need to do what's called a supplement for the insurance, where we figure out everything else that's broken, we take pictures, we send it all in, and then we wait for parts. So Hillbillies went and taken the tires off and got this on Go Jacks so that it's a little bit mobile. The next step in the process is we're going to go ahead and figure out what all the damage is and then do a supplement with the insurance so that we can get this thing fixed. It's going to sit for a while because getting parts is a joke right now. So we'll get it torn apart, get things ordered, and then hurry up and wait. What have you gotten done so far?
Front end tore apart.
Oh, just like that, huh?
Radiator. All the plastics, front shocks. Getting ready to do the upper and lower A-arms.
You're finding lots of damaged stuff?
Mainly just plastics.
Got big dinner behind the camera today.
Hey guys. They used locking nuts and red Loctite.
So we're getting into this. Looks like we're running into our first here that we found. The front of this frame is smashed. So it looks like we're taking this thing completely down to a bare frame.
These Aaron bolts are fighting me. Bent and the threads are messed up, and they also use locking nuts with red Loctite on. And here's the front differential.
Crap, look at how much that flagged. It's a good thing we're changing this frame. This thing's screwed up. Me and Hillbilly are going to pull the cage off, get it set to the side.
We're going to take it over and pressure wash the whole front of this to get the front plastics off.
Yeah, so let's get this into the car wash, and then we'll get the electrical stuff kind of protected. Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, geez, that wash.
We need to fix that.
I don't know where it's leaking from.
I don't either. That sucks.
Okay.
Sprung a leak. We got an O-ring that just blew out. So, we almost got water all over the electrical. Luckily, we caught it in time. This O-ring blew out on us. So we're gonna go take it apart. See what's going on with it. Just gotta pull the snap ring off. We'll get this pulled apart. See what the heck is going on with that O-ring. Check this out. Our pressure washer blew those seals out. Dang. So we've shown you guys the teardown, the wash, and the disassembly of the Can-Am. Basically, we're hoping for a part 2, but if there isn't, if we can't get parts for it, if we can't get a frame, this thing will end up getting loaded up, sent to the auction, and sold. So we're not hoping for that. We're hoping for a rebuild video and take you guys along with that one. So anyway, regardless, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.